In this video, we will go over how to register and manage equipment on the Safesite mobile app. To get started, open the Safesite app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Inspect Equipment. Select the project you are registering equipment for. If pieces of equipment will be physically moving to different locations or job sites often, it is recommended to use one project that will house all of the equipment information to ensure the safety action data is stored in one place. Examples include PPE, fall protection gear, and other gear that will be moved from site to site on a regular basis. If equipment is not going to move from different locations and will remain at a fixed location, that equipment can be registered based on each project they are used on. Examples include warehouse equipment that is stationary or equipment affixed to site locations. After selecting a project, select Register Equipment. Select a team as an equipment owner. Describe the equipment by adding a photo, serial number, equipment type, make, model, and location. Update the maintenance details by setting the last inspection date and the inspection frequency. Based on this information, the next inspection date will automatically be filled in. Select Register Equipment. Your equipment will now be added to your equipment list on that project. You are able to export a list of equipment or equipment reports to anyone inside or outside of your organization, as long as they have a valid email address.